Hello, let me show you how to check warranty data in OPPO F7 by using IMEI. Firstly, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. When you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen. Go for CAPTCHA protection and click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your OPPO F7, and then if you want to check warranty data, you should choose Info and Country Check. Click again at Check OPPO Warranty in Country and wait 10 seconds until full specification is provided. There you go, you can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here you can check warranty period, and here whether the warranty is valid or no. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.